Okay, guys, so now we got the cube from Flipkart, which is for 100 rupees. It's so quite cheap and high quality too. The high speed fast cube. It's very good for. It's very suitable for high cubers or high speed cubers like me. So in the next upcoming video, I'm going to upload a video on how to solve a cube with F1 method as well as beginners method. So now let's unbox this cube. So I ordered it from Flipkart. Now Flipkart's so reliable nowadays. Yeah, it's so great. And so I think it's delivered from Bangalore. So here we go. So guys, so this is the cube. It's a high-speed cube for yeah, 100 rupees. So this cube is stickerless. So which means you can even uh use it very hard too. When it's stickerless, the paint won't go off or sticker won't be torn off. So what I'm gonna do is just unbox this one. So it's actually from, yeah, China. So now let's do it. Unbox it. So just unbox it. So see, you can see that this came with a notification. Standard structure, professional competition type materials, taking special cube, hand and brain components of coordination. Oh, man, it's awesome. It's cool. It's cool for the stuff. That's a bit funny. Okay, so this is the cube. So this is the cube actually. So basically, it's an ice cube. It's called as Kushi. It's from Flipkart and it's under 100 rupees. That's so great. That's 100 rupees and it's a high speed cube. It's for speed cubers like me. So guys, so this is the cube and hope you like this video. Enjoy and give it a like and please subscribe my channel so that I upload a lot of creative fun videos on cubing. Okay, please leave a like and subscribe to this channel. And remember, this brand name is Kushi. It's from Amazon and it's at 100 rupees. And it was delivered within 2 days, or I mean 3 days, from Bangalore, straight from Bangalore. So it's so nice country for China. China is the best, highest producer of plastic, and it's awesome. So it's sticker, so there's no problem of the colors being torn off or worn out. Okay, I hope you like this video. You subscribe my channel, and please like this video. I hope this enjoyed this. Goodbye and see the other videos that I upload very soon. Bye.